can't decide. Like, should I wear them? Should I not? I love them, but you can see the blue kind of tint, which I'm not in love with. But anyway. Hi you guys, and welcome to today. I spent the last 2 days binge watching Exo Kitty because I was like, oh, if it's this short, I might as well just finish it, And I had one episode left today, and I got up. I was like, oh, let me leave it. Let me save it for tomorrow. And then I changed my mind. I was doing my nails this morning. I just filed them down and just have them neat, and then did some clear nail polish on them because I am a pianist, which means I don't keep long nails, and my nails had gotten a bit too long simply because I haven't practiced as intensely in a long time. Anyway, like I was saying, I was watching Exo Kitty. I finished both seasons now, and I don't like finishing things, but I'm holding on to the fact that it's not done. Like, the show isn't done, so there's still more coming. Do I love it? I don't know, because sometimes Kitty makes me annoyed, but it's also a really, really cute show. It's like, oh, there are times I actually feel the feels. I don't cry though, but yeah, either way, it's been lovely. I'm very grateful I get to just decide that I want to sit down and be a lazy bum for a couple hours, because I got back from the gym this morning at around 9 and it's currently 1, and I've been watching it since. I stopped at some point to get ready for the day, get out of the gym clothes, get clean, do what. Yeah, either way, I have choir practice, and then we will probably study, but not in the house. We'll go somewhere cute to do a bit of reading, because I'm going back to class tomorrow. Now, that's a bit confusing because I'm not in uni and I've just finished high school, which means I'm between schools. You know how people say they're between jobs when they're not in a job and they're about to start one? Yes, but I do take music theory classes just to keep it going, keep sharp. Anyway, yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys an update on what's going on today. Yeah.
Today that's only the upper body and not the lower body. No, that's the whole body. That's true. Yes. This one. Yes, Melissa. Hey, oh my goodness, it's so important. And that's actually the reason why. Actually, people probably enjoy people who are just genuinely dancing. Whether they can dance really well or not. It's just the fact that you're doing it genuinely. That's what speaks. So you don't have.
But I've sent you this. I'm playing yourself.
Sorry.
You know it's in the police.
at you. Could you drop the cup and then you get scared?